Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret. Let's start lesson 000 AutoCAD practice 1. Switch to AutoCAD. Example: drawing invisible auxiliary lines. Create a new drawing with name Project 1. Save project to address drawings. Set units. Set drawing limits. Format A3. Set object snap. Create new layer. Rectangle. Color red. Line type continuous. Line weight 0.5. Create new layer. Circle. Color yellow. Line type dash. Line weight 0.25 millimeters. Create new layer. Polyline. Color magenta. Line type continuous. Line weight 0.30 millimeters. Draw a picture. Let's start. First of all, you choose the command New from menu File, and then select File AutoCAD and then press button Open. Secondly, from menu File, choose command Save As and then set address. Directory My student, Milan, and finally drawings. Write new name. Project 1. And finally press button Save. Next, you must set units from menu